Tracking for you this evening. AI health and fitness app HealthifyMe has raised $30 million in a pre-Series D funding round led by LeapFrog Investments and Khosla Ventures along with FinnFund, a Finnish development financier, and Lanschot Kempen, a Dutch investment firm. The venture now aims to accelerate its AI capabilities and global expansion with the fresh funds raised. And to elaborate on these plans, joining me now is Tushar Vashisht, the co-founder and CEO of HealthifyMe. Tushar, welcome back to Startup Street. And like I mentioned, you've got some interesting big investors on board. How do you see them helping, HealthifyMe grow to the next level? What does their backing mean to you?
We are very privileged to have the backing of these global AI and health tech focused investors. Look, we've always been pioneers in building artificial intelligence solutions for at scale deployment in India. We're obviously the largest Indian health app today, catering to about 30 million users. And I think their investment in us is a vote of confidence for our ability to healthify 1 billion, and is a vote of confidence in AI actually helping impact millions of lives, not just in India, but beyond as well.
Okay. Tushar, I understand the funds raised will be used towards advancing HealthifyMe's AI capabilities. You plan to augment the capabilities of RIA, which is your AI-powered virtual nutritionist, as well as retrofit your coach-facing system. If you could elaborate on these plans and what should consumers be basically watching out for?
Well, so, back in 2019 is when we had launched RIA, which was basically trained off our coach and client interaction as an AI model to help consumers. Now with ChatGPT, other large language models basically coming on the scene, we can make, RIA plus generative AI into internally what we're calling as GIA. Effectively, we can make RIA's capabilities, more than 10 times of what they are today. With generative AI capabilities, our AI can not just read, it can see. So you'll see, hopefully, Healthify's core tracking mechanisms being more vision and photo-oriented than typing and tracking oriented. RIA should be able to think and empathize with our clients directly in much stronger capabilities than it is able to do today, and be able to assist our coaches do their jobs better. I think RIA will act as a co-pilot for our coaches as they go out there and help individuals drive behavior change, improve habits, etc. RIA will act as an excellent assistant as well.
Okay, all right. Tushar, you're also looking to upgrade your diet and fitness smart plans that I believe contribute to half of the company's current paying subscribers. Tell me, how are you improving the tech to improve the diet and fitness habits of your customers?
I already elaborated about what RIA's capabilities are going to bring to the table. But beyond that, we already have the world's perhaps largest data set of client to coach interactions, as well as of hand curated diet plans that we have been creating for the last 10 or 11 years now. We've coached more than 1 million customers. We've hired thousands of nutritionists and trainers, and utilizing all of that data, we can fine tune a lot of the large language models that exist today to basically perhaps create the finest diet plans and fitness plans that can be done.
All right, let's talk about your expansion plans. Approximately 20% of HealthifyMe's revenue stem from international markets. First, tell me, what are your top markets, and then what is the revenue mix you're seeing from domestic and international?
Yeah, you're right. I mean, to look today, majority we're an India dominant company, right? But yes, 20-25% are coming from outside markets as well. North America, Southeast Asia end up being 2 large markets for us, from both non-resident Indians as well as from local population sets in Southeast Asia. I think with generative AI capabilities, the lines and boundaries between cultures and languages are going to get blurred. We do believe that our nutritionists and trainers armed with capabilities of OpenAI and large language models can actually coach the whole world. And we do expect us to be basically the world's nutrition and fitness provider with these models, and looking forward to Healthify not just India but the whole world.
All right, like I mentioned earlier, you're also looking at geographical expansion. What new markets are you eyeing, and what is your global playbook? How are you looking at addressing the peculiarities of each market?
Look, North America, the Middle East, and the United Kingdom are very interesting and exciting for us. I think these are markets that have large population sets, people who are suffering from metabolic syndrome, from obesity, diabetes, hypertension, as well as are requiring, in my opinion, a low cost and a highly effective solution, which doesn't exist today. With AI, we are able to offer our services at about a tenth of the price point that local providers can, and are probably twice as more effective.
All
so
right.
we're excited about taking our AI and coaching capabilities to those markets.
All right. Tushar, like you mentioned earlier in the interview, you have a current user base of over 30 million, and you're aiming to achieve $50 million in annual recurring revenue in the upcoming months. What makes you bullish, and what is the road to profitability looking like?
Well, India actually has continuously been becoming more and more profitable. We started our monetization in 2016. We crossed $35 million not too far ago. And we're excited about continuously improving that top line as well as profitability. The advantage of being market leaders in India is that we have a strong brand and we have strong loyalty from our customers that we have helped improve their health and fitness for nearly a decade. And I think we enjoy the privilege of that leadership position to drive better profitability going forward as well.
All right, and we wish you the very best. Many thanks, Tushar, for joining us on Startup Street. It's always a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much as well. I know it's a tough time for markets out there, but I think with market leaders and AI capabilities, fundraise markets are still open, and
yes.
we are very excited to have gotten that opportunity.
All right, thank you so much for joining.